Thank you very much. Wow. So, what do you think?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Great. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Pro25. It's a brand new charger built on a brand new platform. Innovation and performance drives everything we do at CTEK. It's been designed in direct response to the change demands of the professional workshop and showrooms, using a completely new advanced technology specially developed for this unit.
The Pro25 can charge and recondition any 12-volt battery quickly and safely. And it even works with lithium batteries. It's portable, so you can use it anywhere, even in extreme conditions. There is a sensor built in that automatically adjusts the voltage to the battery temperature. As we've improved the cooling too, to help protect the unit from derating, so your battery always gets the optimum charge. The Pro25 also works as a stable 25 amp power supply. It will support the battery and protect any sensitive electronics during the diagnostic work. Like all products, the Pro25 is reliable, robust, efficient and easy to use. It's fully automatic too, so you simply connect it up and then go on with the rest of the job.
The Pro25 is a very exciting new addition to our award-winning Pro range of battery management products and accessories. So if you are a workshop or a showroom automotive professional, take a look at the Pro25. It's a perfect professional charging solution.